Welcome to Décor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of upcycled wood designs ideas to make money with stylish and sellable decor for modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Upcycled wood crafts have become one of the most powerful movements in the modern maker world, a creative revolution that bridges sustainability, artistry, and entrepreneurship. For today's creators, it's more than just repurposing old timber. It's about giving forgotten materials a second life and turning them into something that radiates warmth, authenticity, and purpose. The beauty of upcycled wood crafts lies not only in their aesthetic charm, but also in the story they tell, a story of renewal, transformation, and mindful creation. In a time when fast furniture and disposable decor dominate the market, these handmade pieces stand as quiet acts of rebellion. They evoke a sense of grounding that no machine-made product can replicate. Every dent, knot, and grain in the wood becomes a part of its new identity, a fingerprint of nature preserved through human craftsmanship. For modern makers, upcycled wood crafts represent both a sustainable lifestyle and a practical business model. The raw materials are often low-cost or even free, old pallets, discarded beams, or broken furniture destined for the landfill. Yet what emerges from them can be high-value, timeless pieces that appeal to today's eco-conscious buyers. This makes upcycling a gateway for creative entrepreneurs who want to start small but think big. It eliminates the barrier of expensive resources while providing an avenue to express artistry and generate real income. What begins as an experiment in a home workshop can quickly evolve into a thriving side hustle or full-time craft business. Each creation carries an emotional and ecological value that modern consumers deeply appreciate. Buyers today aren't just purchasing a product, they're buying meaning, craftsmanship, and a piece of a maker's story. There's a distinct magic in working with reclaimed wood. Unlike factory-produced materials that feel uniform and sterile, upcycled wood has lived a life before the maker ever touches it. It might have supported an old barn, formed part of a family's dining table, or been weathered by years of rain and sun. When transformed into a new piece, perhaps a rustic wall shelf, a modern lamp base, or a decorative serving tray, it retains that history, lending character and soul to every creation. This is why such crafts satisfy not only the eye but also the heart and the spirit. They remind us that beauty doesn't come from perfection. It comes from story, from experience, from the graceful marks of time. In the hands of a skilled or even a beginner woodworker, upcycled materials become instruments of both creativity and mindfulness. The process itself is meditative. The act of sanding, shaping, and finishing reclaimed wood allows the maker to connect deeply with their craft. There's a rhythm to it that brings calm and clarity, a reminder that art doesn't always need to be rushed or forced. This slower, more intentional approach to making stands in stark contrast to the speed of modern life, offering a sense of balance that many find therapeutic. And yet, beyond its emotional rewards, the practice holds tremendous financial potential. With growing demand for sustainable and handmade decor, upcycled wood crafts have captured a large segment of the home and lifestyle market. From rustic farmhouse-style furniture to minimalist wall decor, consumers crave pieces that bring authenticity and warmth into their living spaces. They are willing to pay a premium for items that are not only stylish, but also ethical. The market for eco-friendly, handcrafted goods has expanded through platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and social media, empowering small creators to reach global audiences with minimal investment. For modern makers, this democratization of design means that anyone with creativity and commitment can turn their passion into profit. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Upcycled wood crafts are also incredibly versatile, allowing artisans to cater to diverse tastes. A single reclaimed plank could become a cutting board, a plant stand, or a personalized name sign, each product resonating with a different kind of buyer. The creative possibilities are endless, and the personal satisfaction of breathing new life into what was once waste is immeasurable. In every brushstroke of paint or coat of varnish, there's a reflection of care, thought, and vision. It's art that can be lived with, used daily, and cherished for years to come. That tactile quality, the texture of aged wood, the faint aroma of polish, the sturdiness of hand-joined edges, invites people to connect not only with the object but with the human hands behind it. Perhaps the most profound element of this craft lies in its balance between functionality and emotion. An upcycled wood piece is never purely decorative. It serves a purpose. Whether it's a handcrafted coffee table, a storage crate, or a wall-mounted candle holder, each creation blends practicality with beauty. This functional artistry makes it stand apart in a world flooded with mass-produced, disposable goods. The buyer knows that the object they are bringing into their home wasn't made by a machine, but by someone who cared, someone who respected the wood's history and potential. This connection fosters a sense of intimacy between maker and user, turning a simple transaction into an exchange of values. Moreover, the environmental significance of upcycling cannot be overstated. Every reclaimed wood project contributes to a circular economy by reducing waste, conserving natural resources, and minimizing deforestation. For conscious consumers, supporting such efforts is an act of responsibility, and for makers, it's a chance to align creativity with sustainability. In that sense, each upcycled creation becomes a statement that beauty and environmental care are not opposites but partners. This alignment of ethics and aesthetics is what defines the next generation of woodworking and craft entrepreneurship. What makes upcycled wood crafts especially appealing to modern makers is that they require neither massive tools nor advanced skills to begin. Even with basic woodworking knowledge, one can create professional quality items by focusing on thoughtful design and quality finishing. The imperfections of reclaimed wood often hide mistakes beautifully, encouraging experimentation and boosting confidence in beginners. Every project completed feels like a victory, a tangible outcome of patience, resourcefulness, and imagination. This accessibility has allowed countless people to rediscover creativity, find peace in the making process, and experience the joy of producing something meaningful with their own hands. Ultimately, upcycled wood crafts are not just about profit or aesthetics. They're about rediscovering connection to nature, to history, and to the human spirit of making. In a world where trends change overnight, these creations endure because they speak a universal truth, that real beauty is honest, imperfect, and full of life. To craft with upcycled wood is to participate in a larger story of renewal, one that honors the past, serves the present, and sustains the future. For modern makers, embracing upcycled wood crafts is more than a creative choice. It's a mindset. It's about seeing value where others see waste, transforming limitations into opportunities, and crafting with a sense of responsibility that adds depth to every design. Each piece becomes a celebration of simplicity and purpose, a reminder that the most extraordinary creations often emerge from the most ordinary materials. And perhaps that is the true heart of this art form. To take what's been forgotten, breathe new life into it, and let it live again, not just as decor or furniture, but as inspiration, legacy, and proof that sustainable creativity is the future of craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked upcycled wood designs ideas to make money with stylish and sellable decor for modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.